Hello, family and friends. Welcome back once again to Mama Niger's Kitchen, a kitchen filled with love, fun, creative food art, as well as yummilicious. All right, family, I just want to take a moment to welcome all my new subscribers. You are welcome to Mama Niger's family. Again, I am thrilled and filled with joy because you have come in and grabbed your seat. Yes, thank you. And to my ardent supporters, you know Mama Niger have so much love for you. Thank you all for your support, your love, your comments. Keep it coming, guys. Keep it coming because Mama Niger adventure and creativity never end. So today, are you ready for something special, delicious, yummilicious? Guys, this is a showstopper. This is a meal you can eat without guilt. Lean cuisine. Yes, lean cuisine, veggie lo mein. Grab your seat, or better yet, let's get in the kitchen and start cooking. Delish. Delish. Delicious. Look at these elements. Healthy, delicious, and nutritious. Veggie lomian. Guys, this is to die for. You gotta eat it. All right, I'm gonna taste it for you guys. Whoa. Whoa, yo, 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 yo. Wow. Wow, guys. It is just too good. Too good. And the chicken, this is what you have in the bowl. All right, you have it in the bowl, individual bowls. I'm gonna warm that onto it so we can have one more. There you go. There you have it. All right, guys, ready to give that a taste? Looking at you. Mouth watering, finger licking, delish. Oh my God, my mouth is bursting with flavors. Oh yeah, there's no other word to describe this, guys. Sorry, I'm talking with my mouth full, but no other word to describe this, guys. Look at that. This is a bowl of unlimited surprises. You give this bowl of veggie lomian to a guest, they will first of all be amazed and looking at, okay, what do I have here? This is low carb, keto friendly. This is our vegetables. Veggie. There is no starch in here, guys. But it is dense in fiber, dense in nutrients, and it is yummy, yummy, yummy to the eyes, delicious to the mouth, and music to the tummy, guys. Look at that. Just take a look. I wish you were here to have this experience with me. But guess what? Better yet, you can recreate this for you and your loved ones. Check out the recipe. It's going to be listed down below. And be sure to incorporate it and make it your own. So the items that I use here is, unfortunately, my camera didn't record when I was adding in the spiral, squash, and cucumber. You missed that. But however, spiralize your cucumber and your squash. Those are the main vegetables that we use here to create this delicious veggie lo mein. Guys, thank you so much. You see, I want to continue eating this bowl until it is finished, guys. So this is a great meal to have on a hot day, cold day. It is just yummy, refreshing comfort food. You know, Mama Niger is never finished with surprises. So the more reason you need to stay connected. If you have not already subscribed, please do. Subscribe, 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 because I love to continually bring you great creative recipes that will extend your life, add value to your life, improve quality of living, and as well as doing it in class. In class, guys. Sassy, yummy, mouth-watering, finger-licking food. Repeat that. Sassy, yummy, finger-licking, mouth-watering food. Oh no, let's twist that up a little bit. Sassy, yummy, finger-licking, mouth-watering. Sassy, yummy, finger-licking, mouth-watering, jelly, delicious. Alright guys, it is only at Mama Niger's kitchen. So thank you once again for having this experience with me, and I look forward to our next time together. Until then, thank you. Obulu, Okimwefo, bye.